Understanding the phrase, baking in the sun. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English expressions. Today, we're diving into a very vivid phrase, baking in the sun. Let's unravel what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Baking in the sun may initially evoke images of cooking or baking. However, in this context, the word baking is used metaphorically. To understand this phrase, think about what happens in an oven. Things get very hot and are affected by the intense heat. Now, imagine this process not in an oven, but under the strong, hot sun. This section will explore how this metaphor applies to various scenarios. In English, saying someone or something is baking in the sun means they are exposed to the sun's intense heat, often uncomfortably so. It's a colorful way to describe how hot and intense the sun feels, especially on a scorching day. We'll look at examples of this phrase in different contexts, like describing a person sunbathing at the beach or an object left outside on a hot day. Here, we'll explore how to incorporate baking in the sun into your daily conversations. This phrase can be used in both casual and descriptive language. It's great for storytelling or setting a scene where the heat of the sun is a key element. We'll provide you with some practical examples and variations of this phrase to enhance your English speaking skills. While baking in the sun is widely understood in English-speaking countries, its usage can vary. In some cultures, this phrase might be more common during certain seasons or in specific geographical areas. We'll discuss these nuances and how the phrase adapts to different English-speaking regions. Baking in the sun is a vivid and descriptive phrase that adds color to our language. It's a wonderful example of how English uses metaphorical language to capture the essence of an experience. We hope this video has shed light on this expression and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Stay tuned for more interesting language explorations, and remember, keep learning and keep having fun with English.